The third step is to construct the calculation formula. Net present worth will be equal to 0. The next equation is net present worth is equal to present worth benefits minus present worth cost. Based on our table, it will be 1000 ringgit multiplied with P over A delta IRR 2 minus 1783 ringgit. The fourth step is a trial and error method. This is to obtain both a negative and positive value of net present worth. In the first trial, we used interest rate of 7%, and in the second trial, we used 9%. From trial 1, we obtained a positive value of 25 ringgit, and in trial 2, we obtained a negative value of 23 ringgit and 90 cents. The next step is to perform interpolation to find the interest rate when net present worth is equal to 0. By using the interpolation method for values of 7% and 9% of interest rate and 25 ringgit and negative 23 ringgit and 90 cents, we obtain the incremental rate of return of 8.02%. The last step is to compare the incremental rate of return obtained from step 5 with the minimum acceptable rate of return, MARR. Based on the IRR obtained, which is 8.02%, it is lower than the MARR of 10%. Since IRR obtained is lower than MARR, we will choose the lower cost alternative. Thus, alternative A is chosen. The other method is by using graphical method. Steps 1 till 3 from the interpolation method is repeated, which are to construct the incremental cash flow table, construct the cash flow diagram, and to form the calculation formula. The equation used for net present worth is 1000 ringgit P over A delta IRR 2 minus 1783 ringgit. Then a table of interest rates and net present worth is formed. Interest rates from 0% to 10% are chosen and their net present worth are calculated. The next step is to plot a graph of net present worth versus interest rate. Based on the graph, when the x is intercepted, we can see that the value for incremental interest rate is approximately 8%, since net present worth is equal to 0. Hence, delta IRR is 8%. The last
Created using Powtoon.